Made it up the hill here to the big temple here in Penang, big Buddhist temple. It's not too busy today, surprisingly, for being Chinese New Year. By the way, to all our Chinese followers, happy Chinese New Year. We wish you good luck and prosperous life. From Mahoney Travels. Let's check out this place and see what they got. Big Buddha. Got the baby Buddhas. Linda's always having a good time. Looks like everything's closed up. We wanted to go up to see the big Buddha. Let's see this side if it's open. Oh boy. No can do. Okay. Let's go see what else there's to see here. It's 36 Malaysian ringgits to take the cable car up the hill and down. And the people weren't very friendly in the shop coming in. We were trying to figure out where the heck to go, but nonetheless, we're smart. We figured it out. So let's go explore some areas here and see what we got. Of the ox. I don't remember what year it was when I used to do business in China, and this was, I remember this everywhere. Year of the rat. Got all the years here. Let's go over here and look at this big pond over here. See what they got going on. This is kind of cool to see. It's a break from the city. It's a big holy site here for Buddhists, but as I'm learning from living in Cambodia, there's different kinds of Buddha. There's Cambodian, there's Chinese, and Japanese. There's different kinds. So yeah, let's just continue to explore here, guys. I don't know if the camera can show the size and depth of this Buddha, but man, this thing is huge. Let me show you guys real quick here. Really neat up here on Penang Hill there, way up here, the big Buddhist temple. Let's go explore some more options here. a different side of Penang that you don't see. You get away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and you come up here, you can smell the air. It's clean in the mountain, and it just feels kind of pure to be here. So yeah, Linda's having a good time. We got another big statue up here. We'll try to get a better view over there. It looks like maybe a Hindu. Maybe if you guys know, you can leave it in the comments down below for those of you that might know. Let's go talk to Linda. What you think?
Yeah, it's nice place. I also my mom is Chinese. I am half Papa and Cambodian, but for me not so much about to Chinese, but I respect Buddha and Cambodian more. So, but a Happy New Year and Chinese I can do also because my mom and Chinese I can do, but not much. But I like also I like and respect. Yeah, for sure. I hope everyone will come here like in Malaysia and Penang. So very beautiful. So, but a little bit about food and people call the fun and like the seafood. But for me, I like seafood. That's why I say that. I'm sorry. Okay, I will show you another video later.
Yeah, she likes her seafood. For her, seafood is raw shrimp, crab, you know, clams, and for me, seafood is like anything fish. But we're learning here. But yeah, it's just a beautiful area here, guys. A lot of gardens here to walk through. Let's check some more of these out here. There's the year of the pig. What is this here? Year of the dog?
The dog, chicken,
Tiger, a rabbit. Got all the different Chinese New Year's here, guys. I don't know. Does anybody know which one? Does anybody know which New Year it is this year? Let me know down in the comments, because I really don't know. Rabbit. And we got the tiger. Monkey. Ram. And there we are. All right. And a wall of Buddhas. Who's this lady up on the rooftop here?
This in her name like Cambodia call Penang Kung Sein, Premai Kung Sein, but Chinese name like sorry, and English like mother and yeah, and people like people respect like mother Kung Sein, yeah, Kung Sein, yeah,
okay,
yeah, and name and people call Penang Kung Sein, and some people say Premai Kung Sein, yeah. I speak Khmer and English, sorry.
As Linda said earlier, she's her mama was Chinese and her papa was Cambodian, so she's got a little bit of both, you know. That's why she gets the dark skin from the Cambodian side, and then she gets the Chinese eyes from the mama Chinese side. So yeah, makes for some beautiful DNA.
Chinese eye, half Chinese, half Cambodian. But Chinese for me, I'm a Chinese too, but I'm black because style like say my dad and my mom Chinese, my papa and Cambodian, but my eye from Chinese like my mom. I come see to on Premai Kung Sein, like Cambodian call Premai Kung Sein, and Chinese, yeah, and English mother Kung Sein, like and the people respect, yeah, for sure. And like this Chinese name, but in Cambodia call its name like that also.
We've got some big statues here of Genghis Khan right up over here, and of course the big Buddha statue. Like I said, they've got that closed off. It's very unfortunate, which really surprises us because it is the Chinese New Year. But there's also surprising there's not a lot of people here, but perhaps they'll be coming shortly. But yeah, if we get a quick shot here, we're on the GoPro, so unfortunately there's not a lot of zoom options available. But yeah, this is Genghis Khan up here, guys. And then of course Buddha. So we had Genghis Khan off to the right and Buddha off to the left there. So yeah. All right, let's go see what else we got here. See, this place is pretty massive for what you pay to see. It's kind of neat to see the temple and what it has. There's a lot of, unfortunately, a lot of gift shops everywhere. A lot of touristy stuff. It's kind of more of a tourist trap. I do believe they have some monks here we saw, but yeah, it's a neat place to check out, especially if you're Buddhist, to see your heritage. I certainly would encourage people to come visit. Let's check out some more stuff here, guys. I lost Linda. Gotta go see where she went. She has a way of disappearing sometimes, like an Eskimo. This is the 5 Buddha temple here, the different Buddhas. I always lose track of how many there is. Let's go check some more stuff out. Pretty cool. I think I found her. She's hanging out over here. Look at the guys that are getting ready for the big festivities for the Chinese New Year. These guys are working hard over here, getting everything ready. Lots of lanterns, lots of preparation going on. That's kind of exciting. Look at the beautiful garden. Wow, all the detail here, guys. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. We'll leave a link in the description where this place is at, and we appreciate you guys checking us out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we appreciate it if you do. Helps our channel grow. And check us out on Ko-Fi at Mahoney Travels. And this is Mike and Linda.
Hello. See. Hope everybody and have a good day, and see another video, a new video. Yes, please come looking in YouTube website and Mahoney Travel. See you soon.
See you guys. Peace.